lot of you have been requesting silhouettes for Valentine's Day and spring and Easter coming up, and we've been playing around with a few ideas, and I think we've landed on one that is a really good one. So we've used inspiration from the love sculpture in New York City, and I'm going to be cutting that out today, and we're going to be lighting it with similar colors and playing around with ideas. So I'm not completely sure what the final look is going to be, so I thought I would take you guys along with me to see what the process is like and maybe help me out with a few decisions. So let's get to work.